Hey everyone, today I will show you how to clear Instagram search suggestions, and here is how it is done. 1. Clear search history from the Instagram app. Open Instagram on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right. Tap the three horizontal lines or menu at the top right. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to your activity. Tap on Recent Searches. You will see a list of your recent searches. Tap Clear All at the top right to delete all search suggestions. Number 2. Clear individual suggestions. Open the Search tab. The magnifying glass icon. Tap on the search bar. You will see individual search suggestions based on your past activity. Tap the X next to any suggestion to remove it individually. This process will clear your search history, but Instagram may still show suggestions based on your interactions, such as profiles you follow or like frequently. And that is everything you need to know about how to clear Instagram search suggestions. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.